Hello, everyone, and welcome to Cognitive Chronicles, where psychology is decoded. I'm Swati, a psychologist specialized in neuropsychology, and this channel is your gateway to understanding the most complex and fascinating organ in the human body, the brain. My mission is simple: to demystify psychology and neuropsychology, making complex scientific concepts accessible, engaging, and relevant to everyday life. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious about how the human mind works, this channel is for you. Core content that I would like to talk about would be about practical psychology, mental health insights, brain science breakthroughs, exploring cognitive processes, and many more. Let us learn and explore psychology together. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey of psychological exploration. Remember, understanding our minds is the first step to understanding ourselves. Let's decode psychology together. Like and share to spread awareness. Subscribe for more insights into mental health and psychology. Thank you.